Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Scorpio water sign, and this is general reading, and this reading is from May 24th to May 31st. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. So Scorpio, let's see your recent past. 7 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, the Sun. Definitely there is some separation. There is some sneaky energy. For some there is third party also. Children's involved. Definitely your person played games with you and leaving you in cold. Definitely in past there is separation. Definitely. So let's see what is happening in your connection right now. For those who are not in separation, definitely there is some deception going in your connection. Definitely it is very deceptive connection I am getting. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Scorpio, High Priestess, Lord of Reading got this card. Ace of Cups, full lot of cards, but I am not taking. Six of Pentacles. Definitely in past there is no equal give and take, but now your person want to offer equal give and take to this connection. Definitely trust in your intuition and self-love. So here Ace of Cups could be a new love or the past love or the self-love. So when you love more, then you give love to another person. Definitely, so trust your intuition. Definitely your person want to come towards you after the separation and want to offer equal give and take. So it's up to you to accept this offer or not. Definitely your person want to offer this cup of love to you. So let's pull your person near future actions towards you, Scorpio. The World. Definitely negative cycles, some cycles are going to be end. King of Swords. Sorry for the interruption. King of Swords. The Hermit. Definitely in action wise, definitely your person will talk to you, but action wise they will talk to you for now, that's all. But they are not taking any action like coming towards you and offer commitment. They will talk to you. Definitely communication is coming in your way, and some negative cycles are going to be end. Definitely. So choice is yours. So what your intuition says, do that. So let's pull some cards from universe, Scorpio. 9 of Cups, your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. 6 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, your person could be Lord of air energy. Knight of Cups, the last card, 7 of Cups. Definitely your person fantasizing about you a lot. Definitely he is coming, definitely, because it is slow and stable, and it is long distance relationship. Definitely you are their wish fulfillment. Your person now seeing your worth. Definitely after the separation he want you. Definitely he want you badly, so he will come towards you and offer this cup of love to you. So it's up to you to accept this offer or not. So definitely, so reconciliation will happen if you accept this offer. In near future action they will communicate you, after they will come towards you and offer this cup of love to you. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys.